stunning. I'm exhausted already. I usually have an afternoon sleep which I've had for 25 years. Every afternoon for 40 minutes. And I'm missing it, so I might lie down here. The whole point of the event is not to stuff your face or drink, it's to listen to some high-class literary chat. We're now coming to the judging. We have a lot of the entrants here, people that entered books, non-fiction, children, and fiction. And they're sitting here, poor sods. They don't know who's on the short list, and they don't know who's won. And they've had to sit here during the whole of this lunch for our pleasure. And we can see them, we can feel them suffering. Because we're keeping it secret, because when we judges go through telling you what they thought about the top books, you, that's the theory, will think that must be the winner. No, that must be the winner. So that's to have participation from you, listening to what we say, and thinking, I wouldn't give it to him or her. But the recipients don't know. Anyway, they haven't got long to go now, because we're now having fiction. And Georgina is going to start the ball.
No, fiction, we've got to have it. Children's first. Alan.
Oh, sorry.
So it's all lined up.
Alan's on AI. Alan Titchmarsh has done children's book. I've looked everywhere under the table, but he's crouching somewhere. Or wheeling. Anyway, he's done a little film, and we're now going to see him sitting in his lovely house somewhere, and he's going to tell you